Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPhone down and removing the SIM tray so nothing shifts. Once done, lay the phone on a clean, non-conductive surface. Use a hot plate or heat gun at low setting to soften adhesive. Do this evenly around the lower edge. Next, remove the two pentalobe screws at the lightning port, apply a suction cup to lift the display slightly, and slide a thin pick to separate the screen. Make sure to open the display only a few degrees to avoid flexing ribbon cables. Once the display is propped open, remove the bracket over the connectors and disconnect the battery before touching anything else. This prevents short circuits. Peel the adhesive tabs beneath the battery slowly, pulling at a low angle. Once adhesive resists, apply 90% isopropyl to soften glue and use a plastic pick to separate. If your goal is to alter battery shape, clamp the cell in a custom jig and lightly file or sand the polymer case edges to fit. Do not compress, puncture, or apply direct heat. After fitting the modified battery into the chassis, reconnect the battery connector first and then the display connectors. Once reconnected, close the display gently and temporarily screw the bracket back in. Power on the phone to confirm it boots and accepts charge. If all checks pass, install new adhesive strips and torque the pentalobe screws to finish. If the phone does not boot or charge, make sure connectors are fully seated, measure battery voltage with a multimeter, and if unsure, revert to the original cell or seek professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.